we're talking about Hameln, we're talking about lovely little half-timbered houses all in a row, like number 20 here. And we had a lot of lovely little half-timbered, but these are lovely little half-timbered houses all in a row, burn wonderfully. Which is why they're not standing here anymore. We had a big fire a few hundred years back. 1/5 of all of the houses in Hameln burned to the ground, which was quite sad. And the people of Hameln had to move closer together. They let grass grow over the subject, and they noticed that the grass grew really good, because these burned up houses are like fertilizer. And so they utilized this area within the city walls for gardening. Don't know how much German language you're learning out there, but that's the word Gartenbauanlage, which is why the street is called the Baustrasse. Later they went on to build big things. They built big things like the once major post office of Hameln. They built big things like big hotels, but almost everywhere else you find lovely little half-timbered houses all in a row, like around the corner. Come along.